Right now we are here in Osaka and we're going to Kyoto by a sightseeing train. It will only take us less than 1 hour to get there. And this is our group with Tita Pat, Tita Melba, Berna, Billy. Oh, Tita Melba. Oh, picture ko yan. Oh, picture. Oh, okay.
Hello.
All right. Okay, smile. Okay, smile. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
So it's a sightseeing train. Here it goes. It's coming right on time. It's gonna leave at exactly 11:30. No, not 11:30. 1:30. It's Japanese time. So make sure you're inside the train. So that's Paul, Baron, Billy, Mami Cora, and they're all ready to go inside the train. O yan.
Hindi daw ito yung train natin.
Hindi pa ba ito? Palagay ko ito na eh. 1:30 ang alas, di ba? Hindi ba to, Claude? Okay. Okay, so they're reading the signs on the floor. Okay, these are the train stops going to Kyoto from Umeda. Okay, there's Claudine already waiting. And here's another train coming. So Claude, ano plano? Pagdating doon, what's the plan? Huh?
We're gonna go to the hotel.
What? What's the plan, Claude?
We're going to the hotel.
Yeah. After checking in, what do we do? How far is the hotel from the train?
12 minutes walk.
12 minutes walk?
And then from there,
Okay, bye-bye. Another train coming in. Everything is synchronized. Okay, it's still early. That's why people are not in a rush. But you need to fall in line. Okay, make sure that we get to the right place because most of them are in Japanese characters. Are we going to the hotel?
we can, or we can take a taxi.
Okay, how long is the walk?
12 minutes.
12 minutes. Okay, let's walk. What are you saying?
It's a special train
What's the special train we're
from
going to ride?
Osaka to Kyoto called the Kyoto Train Garaku.
How much is that?
It's only 410,
Oh, okay.
but it's a special train that only runs on weekends. So
Oh.
you can only do it, I think, 6 or 7 times in a day, and only on Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
And the
What?
train that we're going to
Oh,
has a special seating and has a Zen garden inside.
oh, Zen Garden inside? Oh, wow. What an experience, Claude. Well, I believe this train that's arriving will be our train to Kyoto. Yes, Japanese are always on time, never late. Just like the Filipino, laging late. Sila always punctual. So we'll enjoy the ride for sure. Yun na sila Tita Pat. How come we're not so near them? No. Okay, I'm gonna be with my pretty daughter. Tabi tayo, Claude. Okay, yun sila Billy, Mami Cora. Excited to ride the choo-choo train. Ano yung kinukuna mo, Claude?
The name?
Yeah? Oh, Kyoto Garaku. So, we're on time. Okay, so I guess we have to be ready.
Evan, stay here. John and Evan.
Wow, nice train. Oh, that's Claude with Eva now. Ganda naman ang train na to. May garden pa sa loob. Oh. Zen Garden. And here's Berna.
By the window. And the Zen
Wow.
garden. Nice.
Very nice. Well, thank you for taking the hanky rail today. Kyoto, oh yeah, cute yung train niya. What were you saying, Claude? What were you saying? What were you saying?
Look at this train with a Zen garden. Oh, wait lang. Sorry, John.
So unique.
Hello.
Okay, train is starting to run already. Oh, yun. Thank you daw.
This is the Rapid Limited Express bound for Kyoto Kawaramachi. The next stop is Juso. Station
Alright,
number
so let's enjoy the ride.
HK03. After